In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change screen resolution and size in Windows 10. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're not very familiar with computer settings. By the end, you'll know how to make things on your screen look sharper, larger, or smaller, depending on what works best for your eyes and your monitor. First, make sure your computer is on and you're looking at the Windows 10 desktop. That's the main screen with your wallpaper and icons. To get to the settings we need, move your mouse to an empty area on the desktop, somewhere with no icons, and right-click. A small menu will appear next to your cursor. From this menu, click on Display Settings. This will open the Display section of the Windows Settings app. You should now see a window with various options related to your screen. Near the top, you'll see a preview of your display and some text that says Display Resolution. This is the main control you'll use. Click on the drop-down box under Display Resolution. A list of different resolution options will appear, measured in pixels, like 1920 by 1080, 1366 by 768, and so on. Windows will usually mark one option as recommended. That recommended resolution is generally the best balance of clarity and size for your monitor. If your screen looks blurry or stretched, there's a good chance it's not set to the recommended value, so that's a great place to start. Click on the resolution you want to try. As soon as you do this, Windows will change the way your screen looks. When the resolution changes, a message will pop up asking if you want to keep these display settings. Take a moment to check how everything looks. If the new resolution looks good, click Keep Changes. If the text is too small, too large, or the picture looks wrong, click Revert. Or just wait a few seconds and Windows will automatically go back to the previous setting. If you'd like to adjust the size of text, apps, and other items without changing the resolution, stay on the same display settings page and look for the Scale and Layout section. Here, you can change the scaling percentage. Increasing this number makes text and interface elements larger and easier to read, while lowering it makes more content fit on the screen. Once you're happy with both the resolution and scaling, you can simply close the settings window. Your new screen size and resolution will stay in place until you change them again.